Ladies, you pour into everyone. You pour into your family, your work, your responsibilities. But when was the last time you poured into yourself? In Ayurveda, we say the body is the first home. If it's depleted, everything else suffers. But yet, some women ignore the signs and wait until their body forces them to stop and pay attention. Are you one of those women? Are you one of those women who takes care of everyone, work, responsibility, kids, everyone, and everything around you, besides what's truly important, besides the thing that would keep the ship running? And that thing, that energy, that person, that being is you. When do you set aside time for you? Today I'm going to share with you 3 simple Ayurvedic rituals that you can start incorporating into your daily routine to set aside a small bit of time for yourself to nourish your being, nourish your spirit, and nourish your energy. Because remember, ladies, if you are not functioning and if you are not optimal, you cannot take care of anything around you, much less yourself. For those of you who are new to my channel, I am Kelsha, your Ayurvedic wellness coach and women's empowerment coach. Today, I'm sharing 3 Ayurvedic rituals that's going to help you ladies replenish your body. So, most of you wake up tired, your digestion is sluggish, your mind is foggy, you keep pushing through. You tell yourself, I'll rest later, but later never comes. Now drop in the comments below if you resonate with what I am saying, because I am guilty of this. Sometimes I have so much to do. I keep going. I'm like, okay, I'm going to rest later. Okay, tomorrow I'll take a break. Okay, tomorrow I'll just relax. And that time never comes. And then I will wake up one day and my head would be hurting. My body would just not want to get out of bed. I try to stay on a schedule whereby I set aside time at least to implement one of these practices into my daily routine. But then again, in modern life, life just happens. So even if you cannot implement these practices every day, try to do it at least once or twice a week. Because, ladies, you deserve this time. You deserve to create a space within your day, within the many hours that we each given throughout the days to take care of ourselves. Because remember what I said before, if you do not take care of you and you crash, then who's going to take care of everything that you are currently responsible for? So this depletion that happens when we ignore the signs that our body is giving us, and then one day we just cannot wake up or cannot get out of bed or don't have the energy to do anything, or we just come down with a certain attack of the flu out of nowhere. Drop in the comments below if this has ever happened to you. You have so much going on, and then one day you just like wake up, you have the flu, or your skin is breaking out, or you get pimples, or you're anxious. That is just your body's way of speaking to you and letting you know it is time to slow down. Now, this isn't just stress, it is depletion. In Ayurveda, this is called Ojas depletion, when your vital energy is running on empty. And today, ladies, drop in the comments below, make a commitment to stop running on empty. Okay, ladies, let's cut to the chase. If you want to keep giving, you have to rebuild the energy, the vital energy that you exert. You cannot keep giving and giving and giving and not pouring back into yourself, not replenishing what you give. You need to replenish your vital energy, your ojas, the deep energy reserve that keeps you vibrant and radiant and strong. So here are 3 simple practices you can start implementing into your daily routine. Start with 1. Just make the effort. Now, this one is my favorite. Warm oil ritual. Abhyanga. It's self-oil massage. Now, Abhyanga deeply replenishes your vital energy because you're getting into your muscles, you're getting into your tissues, you're connecting with your body, you're giving it warmth and nourishment and touch and love. And this really awakens the senses of your body, the senses of your being, your energy. Just a few minutes of this practice before you shower really awakens and encourages your body to radiate and be vibrant. I have a video on how to do Abhyanga. I'll leave it in the description below. You can check it out. Now, this practice restores you. I can promise you it will restore you. My second recommendation is sacred nourishment. Your food isn't just fuel, it's medicine. Favor warm, nourishing meals over rushed eating. Slow down, sip warm tea. Let your body absorb all the senses, through all your senses, what it is you're eating. The taste, the smell. Savor it. Ditch the phone and pay attention to your meal. This really allows your body to feel seen and heard. Mindful eating. Number 3, evening wind down. Ditch the phone. Ditch the phone couple hours before bed. Instead, create a sacred ritual for you, ladies, because you deserve it. You're fancy. You deserve it. Okay? You deserve it. Sip golden milk with ashwagandha. That's going to relax your body. Light a candle. Give yourself space to breathe. Take up a book and just read. If you don't want to read, get a journal and write to yourself. And ask yourself, what does this person want? What does the essence of who I am want? What are you longing for? Speak to me, I am listening. And when you take these steps, ladies, just one of this practice, if you implement just one, you would start seeing changes in your energy. Now drop in the comments below which one of these practices resonate with you. I made it simple, so you have no excuse. You have absolutely no excuse. So warm oil massage, sacred nourishment, and evening wind down. Drop in the comments below which one lights you up, and let's start nourishing our body. So ladies, I know it is hard for a lot of us to commit to setting aside time for ourselves. Some of us, we don't think that we deserve it, or we are programmed to believe that this is what we are supposed to do. We are supposed to take care of everyone and everything in every situation and ignore what is most important, which is you at the end of the day, this vessel, this body, this spirit, this beauty that you are, this intelligence that you are. And I'm here to tell you, it is okay to set aside a time for yourself. You do not need to feel guilty. It's not selfish, because at the end of the day, ladies, who is going to take care of all the responsibilities that you are taking care of now when your body decides that it has had enough? Who is going to do that? So my encouragement and my challenge to you is, try one of these rituals. Drop in the comments below and let me know which one resonates with you the most. And if you would like me to create more Ayurvedic practices like these, that's going to help nourish you and calm your mind and calm your energy, let me know. Because Ayurveda is all about balance. I'm not saying no, we cannot have the responsibility and take care of this and take care of that. Yes, we can, but there needs to be balance. Okay? Balance will bring you vitality. Deep self-care is going to revitalize your energy reserves, your Ojas, as it is called in Ayurveda. Your energy is sacred. Please, ladies, honor it. Some women wait until they have like a near-death experience to start really taking care of themselves and doing what it is they truly want to do with their energy and their time. So that's it for me today. My challenge for you is to pick one of the practices and start implementing it, and come back and share in the comments below your experience with the practice. And if you would like to go deeper into Ayurveda and how Ayurveda can help you as a woman who's juggling work, career, being a mother, being a wife, if you would like to know how Ayurveda can help you bring balance into this space, I am here to give you a free personalized consultation so we can decode your unique needs. And remember to hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, and share. Peace, love, and blessings.